Assalamualaikum and hi. We are from EC2222A4 and today we will present our mini project for CSC425, Introduction to Computer Programming. Our project title is Hotel Billing Program. Our project is called the Hotel Billing Program. It is a C++ console-based system developed to help hotels manage their daily operation. The program allows users to book rooms, check in guests, check out guests, calculate bills automatically, and collect customer feedback. This system makes hotel management faster, easier, and more organized. The objective of our project are to simplify room booking, to automate the check-in and check-out process, to calculate bills and generate receipt automatically, to collect customer feedback for better service. Many hotels still use manual method to manage bookings and billing. This can cause long waiting times, calculation error, and poorly organized record. Our hotel billing program solves this problem by automating the whole process, making hotel operation more efficient and improving customer satisfaction. That's all for the introduction. Now I will pass the presentation to my teammate for the next section. Thank you.
Now, I will walk you through the structural logic of our application starting with the pseudocode. Our program starts by displaying the main header Hilton 3 Hotel Management and prompt the user for a choice from 0 to 6. If the user select choice 1, the system checks room availability to book a room. Choice 2 handles guest check-in by validating the room number. Choice 3 manage guest check-out and billing, where the bill is calculated based on the number of days stayed multiplied by the room rate. Choice 4 allows the guest to input feedback, while choice 5 and 6 enable the management to view current room status and guest feedback, respectively. If the users enter choice 0, the program displays thank you and message and exit. Any other input triggers an invalid choice, error, or loops back. Next is the flowchart of our program. The flow starts by displaying the main menu and accepting the user choice. It then passes through a series of sequential decision structure representing choices 1 through 6, as well as 0. Each decision passes down to its respective process, such as booking a room, check-in, or generating bill once a specific process finishes. The program loops back to the main menu using a do-while loop structure, unless choice 0 is made, which immediately terminate the flow end.
Now, I will explain the programming part of our hotel billing system. First is the global variables and function declaration. We use global variables because they can be accessed by all functions in the program. These variables store important information such as the guest name, room status, room number, and customer feedback. Besides that, we declare several functions such as display menu, book a room, check-in, check-out, view booking status, and view feedback. By separating the program into different functions, the code becomes more organized, easier to understand, and easier to maintain. Next is the main function, which acts as the starting point of the program. When the program starts, it displays the hotel title and repeatedly shows the main menu until the user chooses to exit. The program reads the user's choice and calls the corresponding function. For example, if the user select option 1, it calls the book a room function. If the user select option 2, it performs the check-in process, and so on. This makes the program simple to navigate because every feature is controlled from one main function. This slide shows the display menu. The menu provides 6 main options. 1. Book a room. 2. Guest check-in. 3. Guest check-out and billing. 4. Leave feedback. 5. View booking status. 6. View guest feedback. There is also option 0 to exit the program. The menu allows users to select the function they need by entering the corresponding number. Next is the book a room function. When the user chooses these options, the system first checks whether a room is available. If a room is available, the system asks the user to enter the guest name. After that, the room status is updated to book and a confirmation message is displayed. If there are no available rooms, the system informs the user that no rooms are currently available. This function helps prevent double booking and ensures room availability is always updated. This slide shows the sample output for the book a room function. As you can see, the system displays the menu, asks the user to enter the booking option, and then request the guest name. After booking is successful, the program displays a confirmation message to inform the user that the room has been booked successfully. The output demonstrates that the booking process is straightforward, user-friendly, and easy to understand. That is all for my part. Thank you.
So let's move on to the next part of our presentation. So I will explain the check-in process, the check-out process, and the feedback process. So for the check-in process, after a room has successfully been booked, the receptionist enters the room number into the system. Then, the program checks whether the room number is valid and whether it has already been booked. If both conditions are met, the guest is successfully checked in and a confirmation message is displayed. Otherwise, the system informs the user that the room number is invalid or the room has not been booked yet. This is the sample of the output when we check in. As you can see, the user selects the check-in option, enter the room number, and the system verifies the booking information before confirming that the guest has been checked in successfully. This helps prevent mistakes and ensures that only valid booking can be proceeded. Let's go to the second part, which is the checkout process. During checkout, the receptionist enters the room number and number of days that the guest stayed. The system automatically calculates the total bill by multiplying the number of days by the room rate. After displaying the bill, the room status is updated to become available again so that it can be booked by another guest. This automation reduces calculation errors and speed up the checkout process. So, here it is, the sample output for the checkout process. The system calculates the payment instantly and displays the billing information clearly. Once the payment is completed, the room becomes available again for future bookings. For the next part, the feedback process. After checking out, the guests can leave comments about their stay. The receptionist enters the room number, and if the guest record exists, the system stores the feedback and displays a thank you message. This feature allows hotel management to collect customers' opinion to identify areas for service improvement. So this is the sample output for the feedback process. As you can see, the users enter the room number and the guests comment. The system saves the feedback successfully, making it easy for hotel management to review customer experience in the future.
I will now present the reporting functions and conclude our presentation. The View Room Status function allows the hotel manager to see the state of all 5 rooms at a glance. It iterates through the array from index 0 to 4. If a room is booked, it displays the guest name. Otherwise, it prints available. Looking at the option 5 output, since Ali has checked out, all rooms are now listed as available. Next, view feedbacks. Lets the management monitor service quality. It loops through the feedback array, and if a comment exists, print the room number, guest name, and their comment. The output for option 6 display room 1 Ali, good. Additionally, if a user enters 0 to exit, the main loops break and print thank you for using Hilton 3 Hotel system. See you again. If they enter an invalid option like 9, it handles the input gracefully by displaying a warning message. To ensure academic and technical accuracy, we reference several core publications. including C++, how to program by detail and detail, beginner structured documentation, and official platform like C++.com and Microsoft Learn. In conclusion, our hotel billing program successfully fulfilled all its objectives. We have successfully transformed a manual hotel management workflow into a structured digital console system. It eliminates calculation error through automate billing formula and provide an integrated platform for guest feedback. This project highlights how fundamental C++ concepts like 1D array, loops, and custom functions can effectively solve real-world operational challenges. That is all from our group. Thank you very much for your time.